Water rings, this is after cleaning. What's in water besides hydrogen oxide, hydrogen hydroxide, H2O? Calcium. Anybody here live in a place where they use ice melt? And when
No,
it
we
gets,
all live in the
yeah,
Midwest.
usually salt, but when it gets really cold, they use, and you have you said it, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is great stuff. It's exothermic. What does that mean? People that sell ice melt, their demonstration, they'll take a cone shape, you know, from a water cooler where you've got the cone shaped cups. You know what I'm talking about, where it's cone shaped? What they would do, they would have the customer hold it. Okay. They would put some of the calcium chloride in there, then they would add a little water. Oh, about 30 seconds, he's not holding it any longer because it's boiling. It's exothermic. So that's why it's so effective, down to 20 below, plus it releases heat. So that's why it breaks up the ice really well. The problem is, it gets tracked into the building, and everybody thinks all I have to do is clean it. Calcium chloride plus alkali, which is what your detergent is, turns it into calcium hydroxide, known as lime. You know, like limestone, like out of the building. Does that come off very easily? Guess what it comes off with easily? That's it. Brown out, flush, you're done. No big deal. Another one is, sometimes we'll get a phone call, the basement, it's carpeted and the water softener overflow. That comes off very easily if you use brown out. Yeah?
I've done several cars or automobiles, and the left foot on the side where it rests is just a hard spot of that.
Of that junk, from the winter. Yeah, you clean it, and then you put brown out on it, spray, work it in, leave it about 5-10 minutes, and flush it out, and you'll probably get it all out.
What is brown out? Is it like a vinegar?
Brown out is mostly citric acid. The same horrible poison that's in my Coke. That's phosphoric and citric.